Good afternoon everybody and welcome to today's job. Today's job is a surface clean, a treat and a rinse. This area here is part 2 of a 2-part job. So we did the rear first and now this is the front. It's a very well maintained driveway, very well put together. Very nice frontage of the property. As we have a walk around, you can see some areas are worse than others. The main reason for the clean today is to ensure it's a bit safer underfoot. As with most jobs this time of the year, safety is a priority, and obviously with the wet and icy weather, the dirt can add to the danger. Have a little look around this corner. This area is part 1, so be sure to check that out. Let's not delay, let's get started. Right guys, this job's pretty much complete. Final rinse down. Let's have a look at the before. Some of the afters. Remind ourselves how it looked. And before and after. A really nice transformation. This one has come up really nice, really clean. The customer's very happy. You have a little walk around again. See it in full. Have a little walk through. We're going to come back to this property at a later date and give it a sand. See it all clean. Much safer underfoot, much nicer. The colours really came out, colours really popping. Really happy with this job. A little look around this corner. See the rear is also finished, so again, be sure to check that video out. As always, if you need us, here are our details. Click the links to see more videos. As always, thanks for watching and we'll see you at the next job.